my pants? Where is my pants? Who took my pants in this compound? Hey! You people are looking for my trouble, oh. This is not the first time this thing is happening. Last week, na my blouse. 2 days ago, na my towel. Now my pants. Who be the thief in this compound? Amaka, calm down. Maybe you forgot where you kept it. Forgot where I kept my pants? Chioma, abeg. You dey hear you did outside? Wait oh, this thing don't dey happen too much. Something is definitely wrong. Wrong, eh? There is a thief among us. Everybody should check their rooms. Maybe the person is hiding things somewhere. Just pray I don't catch you, because if I catch you, I will design your face with slaps. Amaka, abeg, don't fight anybody. I will fight the person. Imagine stealing somebody's pants. What kind of wickedness is this? Everybody should be careful from today. Whoever is doing this will eventually expose herself. Una dey whine me? This Lagos I came to, I must shine oh. No time, I no come play. If I no get am, I go steal am. Now who then catch be thief? Clock it. See this hair? Fine hair. And na only me go know say na another person's hair. This dress sef fit me die. The owner no even know wetin she get. And this cream, see as e dey smell expensive. People dey struggle to look rich. Me, I no get that kind time. Once I see something I like, I collect am. Simple. Make I arrange everything well. Tomorrow everybody go dey wonder how lucky take dey fresh like this. Make everybody come out for this compound. My cream don lost. I must catch that thief today. Make everybody come out, Joe. In fact, before I start action, more na go watch how YouTube Big Sister take create this movie where you dey watch. We go continue this fight later.
If you want to start your own AI storytelling channel, then this video is for you. Hi guys, this is your YouTube Big Sister, as you all know. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you all you need to know about AI storytelling, from the scripting to image generation to video generation down to editing. If you're a newbie or you want to start your AI storytelling channel, then you need to stay to the end of this tutorial, because I'm going to be breaking it down in simple and basic steps. So what you do for me is to go ahead to like this video and also subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. So guys, let's get into business. See you in class. So guys, the first step is to get your story or your scripts. There can be no video without a story, and I would always advise you to first of all have your story idea before you can tell ChatGPT to refine it for you. I hope I'm communicating. So for this first step, I have my story idea. Like I have what I want my story to be. So I told ChatGPT, refine this story for me, right? I told it that my story idea is about a Nigerian lady, age 28, who steals from her hostel mates. She lives a fake life, and she steals both hairs, undies, clothes, and even cream to feel among, right? So anytime her housemates hangs their clothes, she steals them. Then I gave it the scene. I said, Scene 1 should start with the lady screaming in a heavy Nigerian tone, "Where is my pants? Where is my pants? Who took my pants?" Like, I want the action to be very, very engaging, right? So I gave it Scene 2. I said that Scene 2 should be when the lady is in her room with all the things she has stolen. She's happy that she stole them. Like, she was like, I will have to feel among, even if it means stealing. Do you understand? So these are the scenes I gave to it. I also gave it this instruction. I told it that it should follow the storyline and make it very interesting. I told it to keep the camera steady and you should not zoom it, because if you don't give it this instruction, you will see it will just turn your video. It will be zooming in and zooming out. Do you understand? So I told it that it should be an all dialogue story. That's, if it's giving me the story, you should make it in an all dialogue form. Do you understand? So ChatGPT came to our rescue. It gave me the story, as you can see. It gave me Scene 1, gave me Scene 2, down to Scene 6, even down to Scene 10. This is so nice. So this is our story, and it's a very interesting one, right? So this is it. Alright guys, now that we have gotten our story, the next step is to get our image prompt, right? So I told ChatGPT, now give me a ready to use text image prompt for each of the scene in the story and that of the characters. By characters, I mean the main characters in this movie or in this story. Then by scene means the location where you want your story to take place. Do you understand? Like for me now, the first scene may be outside the compound. The second scene may be inside a room. The third scene may be outside the street. Do you understand? So scene means the location where your story happens. Are you getting me? Then I also told you that it should be in 3D pizza style. 3D pizza style means you want them to be in a cartoon form. There's a very big difference between 3D and realistic form. Realistic form means you want them to look like real human beings, but 3D means you want them to look like cartoons. I hope I'm communicating. All right, so I told you that the lady should be busty and well curved, because you can actually give this instruction. If you want your characters to be busty, if you want them to be big, you should describe them. If you want them to be slim, you should also describe it. This is AI, and the instruction you give it is what it would follow, right? And I told you that I want aspect ratio to be 16:9 because we are creating for YouTube. You understand? And YouTube gave me the character prompt. As you can see, it gave me the character prompt. Number 1 is Lucky, the hostel thief. Number 2 is Amaka, the angry victim. Number 3 is Choma, the calm housemate. And number 4 is Blessing, the observant housemate. So it also gave me the scene by scene image prompt. You understand? It gave me scene 1 when Lucky was when Amaka was shouting, "Where is my pants? Where is my pants?" That is scene 1. It also gave me scene 2 when Lucky was in her secret room where she was happy with what she stole. It also gave me scene 3 down to, I think, it gave me up to scene 10. You understand? So before you start creating your images, make sure to get your image prompt for both your characters and your scenes. Do you understand? That is the second step. Now let's head over to the third step. The third step is to generate our images. Now that we have gotten our story and our image prompts, the next step is to generate our images. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of ChatGPT to generate our images. Feel free to use any image generator of your choice. You can use Flow AI. Flow AI also gives good and realistic images. You can use Google Gemini. Yes, you can use Grok AI if you have subscribed to Grok. But I'm going to be making use of ChatGPT to show you how you can generate your images. So I went straight to the first image prompt. That's for my character. I went straight to it and I copied it. And this was what ChatGPT gave to us. As you can see, our main character is curvy and busty, just the way I want her to be. So this is the first character. And for you to save it, you have to click on this first one to save it, right? So for the second one, I pasted the second image prompt. You understand? And I pasted it, and ChatGPT gave me the second image prompt. That is the victim when she was, with her main character energy, right? So this is Amaka, the victim, and she's curvy and busty, just the way I want it. For the third image prompt, I copied it, and ChatGPT gave me the third image prompt, which is Blessing, the calm one. So this is it. This is how you can generate your images. After generating my main character images, I went over to generate my scene images. So guys, now that we have gotten our main character images, we have to go ahead to generate our scene by scene images, right? By scene, I mean where the location of your movie is taking place. So we are going to generate the images, the scene by scene images. So for the first one, the scene by scene image, I just want the victim and her two housemates to be in a compound, where Amaka was shouting, "Where is my pants? Where is my pants? They've stolen my pants." And her two housemates came out to ask her, what is happening? Do you get? So I want Amaka and her two housemates to be in this particular scene. So what I did was I copied Amaka's image, copied the second friend image and the third friend image, then I pasted it and I gave it the first scene prompt. You understand? And this was what it gave us. See it here. It gave us the picture of Amaka and her two friends. Do you understand? So this is how you can generate your scene by scene prompt. The second scene prompt, I just want Lucky, the thief, to be in her room admiring her wigs, her clothes and everything she stole. Do you understand? That's for the second scene prompt. I want just her to be there with the things she stole. So I copied the second scene prompt, and I pasted it with the picture of Amaka. And as you can see, ChatGPT gave us the second scene prompt. This is Amaka with her hair and the clothes she stole. You understand? So this is how you can generate your scene by scene images. I will still go ahead to generate a third scene by scene image to show you how you can do it. And after that, we will head over to the next step. So to generate the next scene by scene image, I have here cinematic 3D pizza style animated scene inside Lucky's bedroom. Lucky, the same 28-year-old Nigerian woman, stands in front of a mirror admiring herself while holding a beautiful black wig she has stolen. Several stolen clothes and beauty products are scattered neatly around her room. She has a proud, mischievous smile and a self-satisfied expression, imagining herself looking wealthy and glamorous. A stylish dress hangs nearby and several wigs are arranged on the bed. Lucky's body language is confident and playful. Warm indoor lighting, mirror reflection. So we are going to generate this particular scene by scene image. So here we want just Lucky with the stuffs that are being mentioned here. So I'm going to copy it. Then I'll head over to this place and paste it. Then to maintain the consistency, I'll have to import the image of Lucky to be here so that it will give me the same lady but doing a different action. I hope I'm communicating. So I'll click on this plus sign and click on photos and import my image. So this is the image of Lucky. This is the image of Lucky. I've pasted it and it's loading. So once it has loaded up, I'm going to click on this arrow and it will start generating my image for me. So once it's done generating, I'm going to show you guys and we are going to head over to the next step of this tutorial. So guys, our image is ready and here she is with her wig and her mirror and everything she stole. So if you are not cool with the image it gave you, you can actually click on this edit and tell it what you want it to do for you. Do you understand? Like now, instead of her to face the mirror, she's backing it. I can actually tell ChatGPT, make her to face the mirror squarely. You get me? And it will do it just like that. So this is how you can actually generate your images, both your character images and your scene by scene images. Now let's head over to the next step of this tutorial. So guys, now that we have gotten our images, the next step is to generate our video. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to make use of Flow AI to show you how you can do that in simple and basic steps, right? So for you to access Flow AI, you have to come over to your Chrome browser. And when you come over to your Chrome browser, you will have to type in Flow AI. And once you type in Flow AI, it will load up. I want you to click on this first one. So when you click on this first one, you allow it to load up. Flow AI gives 50 credits every single day. And for you to access it, you just have to sign up with either a Google account or your email account, anyone that works for you. So when you do that, you will come over to new project. And when you click on new project, you will see this particular interface. Then you have to click on this place and make sure that it is on video and it's on ingredients and it's on 16:9. Then you have to use OmniFlash because OmniFlash charges you 15 credits instead of 20 credits per generation. Do you understand? And with all that said, I'll have to go over to ChatGPT, copy my dialogue script, import the image I want to make talk and make her to talk. Do you understand? So I'll head over to my ChatGPT and copy the needful. So this is our first dialogue. She says in Nigerian accent, this is not the first time this is happening. Last week now my blouse. 2 days ago now my towel. Now my pants. Who be the thief for this compound, right? So I'll just copy it and head over to Flow AI and click on it in order to generate it, right? So I'm going to import the image of our main character. Then I'm going to give her this prompt. So I've imported the image of our main character and I'm going to allow it to load up and I'm going to paste my prompt and allow it to generate our video for us. So let's allow it to load up and I'll add to prompt, right? So this is it. I'll click on add to prompt. Then I'm going to paste my prompt, and I'm going to click on this arrow and allow it to generate my video for me. So it's generating. Once it's done generating, I'm going to play it for us. So guys, our video is ready. Let me play it.
This is not the first time this thing is happening. Last week, na my blouse disappear. 2 days ago, na my towel. Now my pants. Who be the thief in this compound?
So can you see that this is how you can do it? So to download it, you have to long press and you download. So this is how you will continue until all your videos have been generated and downloaded into your device. And after this, you can go ahead and edit your videos. You can use edit, you can use InShot, anyone that works best for you. You do well to edit all of them, clip them together and come up with a very interesting story. And with that, you are now an AI video creator. So this is how you can actually come up with your video. You don't need to be a pro before you can start. Just start with the little you know, and with time you can, increase your knowledge and become more better. I hope I'm communicating. If you have watched up to this point, do well to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and turn on notification bell so do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. The prompt I used for this tutorial will be dropped in my Telegram community. If you have not joined that community, you are missing out. Do well to click on the link in my description box so you can join us today in order to access this prompt and the previous prompts I'll be using to create my videos. And as I come your way next time, stay safe and bye-bye.